This video will take you through the setup to use myQ Connected Garage through the HondaLink app. You'll need a few things to get started using myQ Connected Garage with your HondaLink. The HondaLink app and an active account. You will need your vehicle VIN to set up the account. The myQ Garage and Control app with active account and connected garage door opener or Smart Garage Control. And all vehicles must connect to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with a USB cable. If you don't have it already, download the HondaLink app and the myQ Garage and Control app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the HondaLink app and log in. For this demonstration, we already have a vehicle added to our account. If you don't have a login, select Create Account. Follow the application's instructions to add your vehicle. This includes entering your VIN and adding your vehicle to your account. To set up myQ Connected Garage, you will be using the HondaLink application interface on your phone. From the HondaLink app home screen, make sure your compatible vehicle is selected at the top and select the Manage Features button. Under Subscriptions, tap to enroll in myQ Connected Garage. Take a minute to watch the brief overview video and review the features and benefits and subscription details. When you're ready, tap Get Started. Accept the terms of use. Now, you'll link your HondaLink account with your myQ account. This step is needed to allow the systems to work in harmony. Tap Continue. If you already have a myQ account, sign into your myQ account. Otherwise, select Learn More and you'll be guided through setting up your myQ account and adding garage door openers. Tap Authorize to allow HondaLink to connect to your myQ account. Tap to activate your 30-day trial. Your trial is now activated. Tap Continue. HondaLink will show you how to access the app inside Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Tap Continue. Next, set up Smart Notification. Smart Notification is an automated prompt on your touchscreen, giving you easy access to garage door control. Smart Notification uses your phone's location for geofencing and sending alerts when you enter or leave your notification radius. You'll determine that in the coming steps. Note, in order for myQ Connected Garage Smart Notification to work, you will need to always allow location access to the app. This allows the application to know when to notify you. If you do not have it set to Always Allow, you will not receive Smart Notification. If Always Allow is not set at this time, you will be provided a reminder prompt to change this in your application settings on your phone. In Smart Notification, the pin on the map is your connected garage, and the circle is your radius. Choose a radius that fits your garage location at the distance best for you. Now, when leaving or arriving home, a Smart Notification will give you access to open or close your garage door. Tap Done. Your myQ Connected Garage setup is complete, and you can now see the details of your account, including your Smart Notification radius and myQ connected devices. You also have access to the myQ CarPlay guide, frequently asked questions, and customer support information right at your fingertips. With app setup complete, it's time to connect to your vehicle. Connect your phone cable to the in-vehicle system via the USB port, located in the center console or console compartment. To access myQ Connected Garage while in your car, you'll go to the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto interface on your vehicle's display. This can be found by selecting an icon that says Phone Projection, or an icon that names Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on your vehicle model. As a reminder, you must be in Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to access myQ Connected Garage for HondaLink. Once Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is running on your vehicle system, you can access the myQ interface. Inside Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, tapping the HondaLink icon on the touchscreen will bring you into the HondaLink services, including myQ. If you don't see the icon on the first page, swipe to find HondaLink. It could be located further down in your application list. Make sure you tap the HondaLink app. Tapping the Honda icon will take you back to the main menu of your vehicle's display, not into the HondaLink app. You may need to select the tab for myQ if it isn't already showing. You can see the status of your myQ connected devices. So next time you can't remember if you closed your garage door, not only can you check it from your vehicle, you can also control it as needed. For additional setup support, visit the FAQs in your HondaLink app.